Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the text color in Miro. So to add text, basically you need to click on the text option on the left hand side, and that's going to allow you to write the text. And as you can see, I made a text field. Now I'm going to stick with the first one that I have. I'm going to delete this, and let's say I want to change the color. So if I want to change the color, you ensure that you select the text and look for the text with the underline. And as you can see, text with the underline, that signifies the color, because you can see the color under the bottom. And just click on that and choose the color that you want. So it could be whatever color you need. If you want to add more colors, you can simply click the add colors here, and that's going to allow you to change the colors. However, you need to have an upgraded account, at least a starter, to have this option. So for right now, we just have the basics, but if you want to get more colors, you can simply like click that plus, and then you can go into these features. Like you can just select, do some shades here, move it to the left or to the right, and kind of find a way how to get a different text shade if you want to. Now if you want to go ahead and, let's say, pick a color from an image or something, you can use this tool. Or if you have the hexadecimal number, you can go ahead and just basically type that in. So if I do, for example, and type in, for example, gray in hexadecimal, I can go ahead and type gray in the code, and as you can see, I can find it. So I could just copy this, for example, go back to Miro, and if that's what I wanted to use, I could go ahead and click the plus and just basically put it here. And you can see that it gives me the color, and that's how you can easily, let's say, add your own text in an alternative way in Miro. But that's it. That's how you go ahead and change the color of text in Miro.